Welcome to Northwest Fort Worth. We are actually in an equestrian neighborhood called Fossil Creek Estates. Most of the homes here are single story, and most are on a couple of acres. This is actually on 2.5 acres. This home is 2,200 square feet, 4 bedroom, 2.5 bath. It does have a pool, and back here you'll see that there's a barn, and there's a dry lot back there for the horses, and a couple of areas to ride the horses. This community has a day stable, and it has a sandy loam arena that you can ride in, and there are horse trails throughout the community, as well as walking trails, and 2 ponds. So we currently have this property listed at $600,000, and we have an open house today from 1 to 2. Roof is about 2 years of age.